everybody and welcome back to Music with Meg's Violin School. This week's video is a fairly easy tutorial of a very catchy pop song. This week, Olivia Rodrigo has started her tour in the UK and I have become obsessed with this song, Vampire. So today's video is going to be a tutorial of that song on the violin, and it's going to use a lot of the techniques that we've already learned on our violin course. If you want to follow along with the sheet music, you can find it on my Ko-fi page at ko-fi.com/musicwithmeg. Now the first thing to note about this song is it's in the key of F major, which means that we need B flats. So anytime you have the note B, you need to flatten it by making your finger go backwards down the violin by a semitone. So I'll show you where we've got B. We've got it on finger 1 on the A string. So instead of playing B natural here, we're going to play B flat by pushing that finger back by a semitone. So that's what we're looking for. And also on the G string, finger 2, that is B. So instead of playing B, we're going to push that finger 2 back so it's touching finger 1, and that's B flat. So watch out for those two places where we have B flat in this piece. We're also going to have some sharp finger 3s in this piece. So in order to do a sharp finger 3 on any string, you just take your finger 3 and you slide it towards you. So that's up the violin by a semitone. So for example, C here on the G string moves up a semitone to become C sharp. And we're going to use that quite a lot in this piece as well. This piece also uses a lot of finger 4s. So you need to make sure that your elbow is tucked right underneath the violin, because if it's not, then your finger 4s are all going to end up flat, and we really don't want that. So we're going to start on the G string. We've got C and A, and we're just going backwards and forwards between those two notes. When you put C down, I would recommend keeping your second finger attached to your third finger like this, because that's going to help you get it in tune. If you do finger 3 on its own, you're more likely to miss the note. So keep those two fingers together, and we're going to play 7 times from C to A. And we're doing it in 2 bows, so we're slurring those bows. Now, we're following the same pattern, but that C is going to become C sharp. So that's where we push that finger 3 up, and we'll do a long one. And now another semitone, our finger 4, which is D. So that sequence again, we're going C to A, then C sharp to A, then we're going to land on D. Sounds like this. Now we're going to play A, G, A, so D, and then C sharp, A, G, A. And that's your first line of the verse, and then that repeats again for the second half of the verse. So, now we've reached the chorus, and we're going to start with A, which is finger 4 on the D string, and we're going A, G, F. That comes up all the way through this chorus, so that's kind of our 3 notes that we're repeating over and over. We're going to slur those. First time round, we're going D, A, A, A. The second time, we're going to put a kind of rhythm on there to C sharp. Then we're going to go via this finger 4, A, then to the A string. We're kind of doing a string cross here. You can jump straight from C sharp to A, open A, but it's a little bit fiddly not to catch that D string. So I prefer to go through finger 4. So that second part, C sharp, A, then B flat. We're going to land on that B flat. So from the beginning of the chorus, D, kind of go down via the A string there. C, natural. So we're going chromatically up and down the bottom note, but the rest of the notes stay the same. A, C sharp, and we're doing that string cross again. D again. We repeat. Now we're onto that A string. This is where the chorus changes. We're going back to do the A, G, F again. This time we're crossing over to C natural on the A string. We'll play 4 of those. Then we're going to do kind of a little chromatic thing again where we're going up by a semitone each time. So we've got C, finger 2. We're going to move that up to C sharp. Then D. And then E, D. So those notes again, we've got C natural. C natural again. C sharp 3 times. 1 more C sharp. D, E, D. Let's hear that chorus from the beginning. Now we're going to play D. We're going to put a little accent on that so it's nice and strong. Then cross over with finger 3, so you're now on G. G to F. So we're going. Now this is a little fiddly. We're going to play C sharp, a raised finger 2 here. But that finger 2 is going to have to go back down when it gets to the D string. So it's C sharp here, and then you're crossing over, and then it goes back down. So your first time, then you raise finger 2, then we're going to stick on this F natural, just a simple scale up, back to F, G, G, A, G, F. So we've done a slur there for the first 3 notes. Then the G on its own, the 2 F's separate, G on its own, G and A slurred, and then G, F. Lovely. So, your second verse is almost the same as the first verse. In fact, the first part is identical. We're on finger 3, which is C. Now, you've got a choice here. You can either just play exactly the same and hold that A on, or if you want to add the little part that she sings in the song, you can flip up onto the D string, finger 4, which is A, but I'll warn you, it's a little quick, so if you're not so confident, then don't worry about doing this part. So instead of playing A, finger 1 here, we're going to jump up to this A, and we're just going to go A, G, 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 F, 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 F. But it is quite quick. So in time, it goes like this. Cool. Then we're going to play the same first little part from C to A. And then when we get to there, we'll cross over, and again we've got that finger 4 and A. So we're going A, G, F, G, A, all in one bow. And then we're going to go back to G, F, G. So we're going to play that A 5 times and go up and down from it. So it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that last time. We're ending on G, finger 3. Now we're going up to B flat. B flat, B flat, B flat, A, G, G. And then we're going over onto this C sharp. 3 of those. A, G, A. So a recap on that second verse. We're starting on C, and it's just like the first verse to begin with. C sharp. C sharp. C sharp. Back to the chorus. Now we are going to join in with the part in the music that plays those really loud chords. And it's really simple. You've already got F in your finger 2 here on the D string. You're just going to add A to the bottom there, so that's finger 1 on the G string. And then if you play those together, you've got a nice sort of F major third. And we're going to play that in quavers. 2 bars of that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, sh, 1, sh, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now we're on to the bridge, and this starts on the D string. D, 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 E, F. Again, 3 separate bows, and then 3 notes to a bow. Then we're just going up that scale, so F, 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 G, A. Make sure you're tucking that elbow underneath to get that A in tune, and the bowing's the same. Then we're going down to G. So G, 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 then slow in with an A, G, and then another G. And then A, G, A, G. A, G again. G, D. So we're going up from D, then from F, G, 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 and then we repeat that D, 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 E, F, and then we're on this G, 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 F, 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 G, G, G again, A, G, F. And then we're just doing 3 sort of ascending then descending patterns. So G to F, A to G, B flat to A. Really enjoy that B flat because it sticks against the music, so it's going to be really satisfying. Now we're on to the final chorus, and because it's the build of the song, I'm going to get rid of the slurs here, and we're going to do separate bows. Separate bows in a song like this is a little bit more aggressive, it's got a bit more bite to it. And I give you permission to use open A strings. Because we're using separate bows, the string crossings are easier. So you can use open A's, and again, they're going to be a bit more gritty in this chorus. Here we go. Now we're going to change this. We're going to go up to C, A, G, F. We're going to slur that. So C, A, G, F, and then back up to. So we've just done. Back to C, Now what you can do here if you want to is add a little slide between C and A for this final chorus. So it'll sound like this. And to do that, you just literally slide your finger back while you slur and then let it go, and it'll give that A a nice ping. Back to C. And then at the end, we're just going to match those chords that we played before. So that's F on the D string and A on the G string. And we're going to play the same pattern in reverse. So this time we're going crotchet, sh, crotchet, sh, crotchet, sh, crotchet, sh. And then crotchet, 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 crotchet. And then quaver, 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 quaver. And it stops deliberately kind of short. So we've got 3 bars of quavers at the end. It goes like this. Shh, 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 shh. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I enjoyed making it. Remember, if you want the sheet music for Vampire, as well as lots of other music resources, you can find those over on my Ko-fi page at ko-fi.com/musicwithmeg. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you'll know when my next video comes, and don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section below letting me know what tutorial you'd like to see next. Have a lovely week, everybody, and I'll see you next time. Bye!